All right, here we are in the Vidicious desktop software available for both PC and Mac. So let's get started. Simply choose an animation that you like. I'll choose this one by clicking on it. This animation supports 2 images, which could be your logo and logo icon, or anything you like. Now I click here to select the logo. And then click here to select the logo icon. Next, I choose the background music by clicking on the audio tab and then clicking here to select the audio track. After the audio is selected, I could change colors by clicking on the color tab right here, but for this demo I'll leave the colors as they are now and click on the preview button. On this screen you can see a few frames from animations to verify the colors you select. Now all that is left is to click the Create Video button. Vidicious app will automatically render, encode, and make the video ready for preview. The created animation will include your images, background music, and the colors you selected. As you can see, in real time, the video rendering is pretty fast, so you will have the video ready in almost no time. And that's it. Now let's see what we have created together. Wow, this came out perfect.